Indiata.
What are you doing?
I'm working off my bed.
What?
I figured that I get up this morning, get to work. Figured if I fix this floor, then the kids can stay in the floor.
Oh, gosh, you don't have to worry about those kids. They are not staying, so pack up your little tools and go back down the basement. Come on.
Why not? Why not stay here?
What do you mean?
You have a serious problem with this floor, okay?
I know that. That's why no one ever comes up here, and that's why I keep the door closed for safety. Okay?
These kids don't need it. Look at them.
Why are you so worried about kids that don't even belong to you? What's up with you?
That's your family. Why you not concerned? Denver has nightmares every night. Manny night swears Byron. He tosses and turns in his sleep. Can you imagine what those kids have been through? I just want to help them.
You want to help them. You live in my basement. You came to help yourself. How you going to help them?
I'm not giving you this room.
No, you're not. This is my house. Mi casa. Comprende? You can't give them nothing that doesn't belong to you. And if you're so worried about the kids, why are you making so much noise? You're waking them up.
They were gone before I got up this morning.
Oh, well, where did they go? Since you know so much about them.
I don't know. But what did you, kid? You don't even make them feel comfortable to stay here.
That's right. You less things I gotta worry about. Now pack up your little tools and follow me back down the basement. Come on. Let's go.
You don't even mean that.
You don't know me. Let's go back to the room and find.
These kids, they need someone. They need some help.
Okay, well, when my mama comes back, she will come and get them, and they will have some. Happy?
You know this hard.